Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to deploy the site that we built, Travel Blog, to Netlify. Here I have the blog file open in front of me. So we have blogs page, we have about page, we have index page. If I run the server and check out the result, this is how it's looking, as you already remember from previous lecture. We have blogs page, and clicking on a blog card lead to a blog post. We will be using Netlify as a service to deploy our website on the internet. Netlify is a free service to deploy and build website. I'm going to log in with GitHub, and this is how the dashboard is going to look when you logged in. I already have one project. I'm going to run npm run build in our terminal to build the project. Npm run build will run gatsby build command that will generate all the assets needed for this project, and it will copy them in public folder so that we can use our site and deploy it without running the server. After build process is done, you can see that public directory is populated with all the files needed for this website. I'm going to open up the folder for public and try to copy them into Netlify. Let me copy the content of public and drag and drop the public folder into this area. After the file has been uploaded, they are being published and given a static name. It has given a random name, but we can also edit it. But as you can see, if we visit the URL provided by Netlify, it is a secure one and you can check out the blog. It is live, and this is how simple it is to build and deploy a website using Netlify. We can also edit the domain name that is provided randomly. I'm going to edit the site name to a more suitable name. As soon as you save this change, you will be able to see the site on this new site name. All the domains name provided by Netlify are secure. If you click on this plus icon in your browser, the application, the web app, will going to install on your PC. This is because it is a PWA app, even though we didn't write any code for it, because we have used a plugin in our code system. Gatsby built this PWA for us. You can use this website as a app on your PC. Let me open up the Gatsby config file. In Gatsby config, you can see there is a plugin, Gatsby plugin manifest, with options to make a PWA. It will add up an icon on your home which can directly lead that website. Whatever config that we have added, background color, theme, and the name are used to generate that icon on the home screen. You can also add custom domain in Netlify, and if you add custom domain, you have to provide a SSL certificate so that HTTPS can be enabled. You can also use Git repository so that you will enable continuous deployment CD for your site. So whenever you make a change, it will redeploy automatically. And you can also drag and drop the file directly to build a new site. Next, what I'm going to do is to try to add a website from Git. This will be useful if you want to do continuous deployment, which means whenever you change something, it will redeploy itself. So any changes that you make, you have to push them into Git repository, and then the site will rebuild itself. I'm going to push all the changes that I've made in this branch, and then connect my GitHub account. After authorizing with GitHub, you can look all the repo that you have on GitHub. I'm going to find the one we need in this lecture. After choosing a repo, you can also choose the branch. I'm going to choose lessons. Build command will be run as a build step, and the directory you want to publish the change should be public. In this case, the command is Gatsby build and the directory is public. This process will take some amount of time. You can also check the logs. Once the build step is complete, you will be prompted with a you can check the website again. Now to demonstrate the continuous deployment, I'm going to make a change in the file and push it. I'm going to open up the index page, and inside index page I'm going to add a little animation so that our home page will look a little better. I have already installed a package called Lotify. Loti is a library which will render After Effects in the web. So I'm going to import the animation and add animation using Loti. Once I'm happy with the change, I'm going to run the server to check the changes. All look good. Now we have this animation. I'm going to push these changes, commit them and push them to a Git repo and let Netlify do its job of continuous deployment. Once the changes have been pushed, I can visit the Netlify dashboard to see the deployment. You can see that there is a new log message, add animation to index page, which is the message of the commit that we just pushed, and now it's building that change. Once the build is completed, we can check out the new changes deployed on the website. And now we have our latest changes, the animation on the live website. So this is how you push the changes to GitHub and then Netlify rebuild it. And we can use Netlify, which is an awesome tool to deploy our website on the internet. Thanks for watching. This is it for this lecture.